Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. With basic ingredients that we normally have in our home, I will make the best comfort food cheesy egg sandwich. So let's get started. Boil eggs in hot water on high heat. I like mine medium. After peeling, slice the eggs. I am doing 1 egg per sandwich. So for 4 eggs, I have 8 slices of bread.
Now this sauce makes the difference. Take 2 parts of mayonnaise into 1 part of ketchup and mix well. This sauce is so good.
Spread the sauce on bread. Make sure to cover both slices of bread evenly. Arrange the egg on the bread slice. Sprinkle some pepper. I like to be generous. Next, the cheese. Now you can use the cheese of your choice. I'm using cheddar. Take some butter in a hot pan. Let it melt. Put the sandwich on the pan and cover it with a lid to help the cheese melt. Flip once golden brown, just like this. Press with the spatula all over the sandwich. Cover again. Now I do 1 minute per side on medium heat to get the crunch on outside and the cheese to melt properly. Ta-da! The sandwich is ready. Cut it up and see the oozing cheesy goodness. So delicious. If you like the simple, easy and yummy recipe, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get more awesome videos. Also like, share and give your feedback below in the comment section. Stay safe.